السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم، أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل إن كنتم تحبون الله فاتبعوني يحببكم الله ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم والله غفور رحيم. صدق الله العظيم. Dear audience, Honorable President, respected Judge, Honorable Director, Honorable Chairman and other guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I thank all of you for attending today's competitive English speaking program. As you know all, today my subject is the importance of moral education in present situation. But unfortunately, it is almost impossible for me to narrate it within the limited time frame. But I will try to discuss my subject, inshallah. Dear audience, we are Muslims and our religion is Islam. We are the ummah of our last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ummah means as a nation. We should follow and obey him because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, قُلْ إِن كُنْتُمْ تُحِبُّونَ اللَّهَ فَاتَّبِعُونِي يُحْبِبْكُمُ اللَّهُ وَيَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ ذُنُوبَكُمْ وَاللَّهُ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ. Say, if you do love Allah, follow me. Allah will love you and forgive you and your sins. Allah forgiving, most merciful. Surah Al-Imran, verse number 31. Dear audience, most of the people get to know the truth with this moral education. The moral education is not an education. It is the movement. It is a bright history, and it is a bright history, and it is a center of Islam culture. The soldier of more education spend their times to invite others to Iman and Islam. Allah Ta'ala said, "Inna ad-deena 'inda Allahi al-Islam." The religion selected before by Allah was also Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also says, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ وَلَا تَوَلَّوْا عَنْهُ وَأَنْتُمْ تَسْمَعُونَ. Obey Allah, obey the messenger. Dear audience, the education is tough in moral education. The moral education is morality of teach the nation a good man. It is the unique education. So my dear brothers, come to the learn moral education. Allah will forgive you and your sins. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.